Once again, good evening to all the viewers. And today I'm very excited to be here. After 2 weeks, I'm back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you maybe very different from before. And do subscribe. Say hi to all viewers. Hi.
हाय मेरा नाम ने नंगनबुंग
Nungnyambui. Okay. मैं आपको एक सवाल करना वाला है। ये दुनिया में किसी आदमी को हम लोग रेस्पेक्ट करना जरूरी है?
यह दुनिया में
हाँ।
दुनिया पे रिस्पेक्ट करने का जब बड़ा आदमी है और क्या अपना माँ बाप को इतनों को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहते हैं
माँ बाप और एल्डर्स ना
हाँ।
बड़ा आदमी।
हाँ।
Are you ready?
Yes.
Be confident, okay? What kind of people should we respect most? किसे हम लोग सबसे इज्जत देना है इसे? What kind of people should we respect most?
Well, we should respect to those people who have humanity in their heart, and those who do good work for people and for the society, as well as for the areas.
Enough. That's all.
Yeah.
The answer is that, okay? We should respect the people who are driving the bicycle very speedily. Why you know? Cause you don't know when he or she will die. Nah? You know it, right? Bike crack
Yes,
when he or she will die, you don't know speed. They are driving very speed, very so na. They may accident at once. Suddenly they may get accident and die. So we should respect them, okay? Okay, whenever you meet a bike driver like this, okay?
Okay, I agree.
Agree?
Yes.
Okay, did like this.
हाँ इतने ये दुनिया पे हम लोग जितने रहते हुए कि जब बड़ा आदमी को सब कुछ बाहर पे मेहमान आता है उन लोग के साथ में मतलब हम लोग रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहते हैं अगर उन लोग को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करने से तो हम लोग का मेहमान आके हुए हम लोग को कुछ वैल्यू नहीं पकड़ेगा मतलब इसलिए बड़ा हो कितना छोटा हो तो फिर भी जितना आदमी मेहमान उन लोग को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहते हैं
Okay, from my side, हमारा स्टॉप से आपको जवाब आंसर बताना वाला है। हमारा आंसर है वो जिन आदमी ने वो हम लोग का एरिया में बाइक चलाता ना स्पीड करके चलाता तो पता है ना स्पीड करके बिना ब्रेक। नंबर 3 नंबर 2 दबा के चलाता ना ये सब आदमी से रेस्पेक्ट करना जरूरी है। क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि वो लोग का जिंदगी तो कब खत्म होने वाला है पता नहीं इसलिए वो लोग को रेस्पेक्ट देना जरूरी है। ओके, डू रेस्पेक्ट टू दोस हु ड्राइव बाइक। थैंक यू। So I'm going to ask you a science question which is related to science. The question is that, are you ready?
Yes.
The question is that, what is a difference between male mosquito and female mosquito? Please can you explain in brief?
The difference between male mosquito and female mosquito is that male mosquito have 4 pairs of leg and female mosquito have 6 pairs of leg. Yeah.
Male have
4 pairs of leg
4 pair of leg,
and
female
female
have.
have 6 pair of leg.
Okay, thank you. The answer is that you get about female mosquito and male mosquito. आप लोग हिंदी में क्या बोलेगा? लड़की मोचोर और लड़का मोचोर। इस बारे में मैं बताऊंगी। Mosquito 2 is female and 3 is male. The best way to identify is that the mosquito which is come to male road for makeup. 2 mosquito are coming from makeup, coming near the mirror, and 3 mosquito are going near beer bottle. They went for drinking alcohol, beer, and going to mirror. That one is female.
Hi viewers.
Say hi. Do like this.
Say hi.
You don't have to say like this. Just say hi. The best way. Hi. Don't talk. Kaya nakuno ko ng kotak ko na sad to be here once again. क्या करेगा ना इसमें भी आदमी है ही नहीं बाजार दिन नहीं बोलता यार Stop your leg here. So sorry that we could not make long video. Salah, haplong motor bite me. very sorry to those who are accompanying with us. Due to technical problem, we lost some videos, so never mind. We'll continue on the next videos, and thanks a lot for your accompanying, and please do subscribe. Your subscription will mean a lot, and like, and thank you so much.